Hello guys, what's going on? It's Tofuu Gaming here. We're back for another episode of Minecraft, and you guys are probably thinking, what the heck are you doing? But I'm going to be showing everybody how to make an obsidian generator, and it's super easy once you actually kind of find out how. So let's just get started. So practically I'll show you guys the end result, and for each piece of obsidian you'll need a piece of redstone, so make sure you have redstone before you start, because yeah, you'll need it. So let's just pull the switch, and you'll see the obsidian generate. And I get 4 pieces of obsidian from this, and I think it's quite awesome actually. See, now the lava will then stop. Then you can get your obsidian, then go over to the other side, get your obsidian over here. So, okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these. So, okay, so first what you want to do is you want to measure the water. So what you'll want to do is just like make a little container for the water itself, and you want to make that 2 wide, so then you can place 2 things of water inside. So let's just place 2 pieces of water. So see how it floods all the way out there to the end? You want to measure it so it's like that. So you want to make it so it's exactly at the end, because that's all you need right there. So next, after you do that, you need to make your little contraption that will release the lava. So kind of make it right next to this, because it's going to be pouring on here, so make sure you put it there. So next you want to make it like up on a hill. You can't make it on the exact same level. And then you want to make sure it's going to be powered when you are doing this, because otherwise it's not going to work again. So then you want to make one of these little contraptions, just a block with a redstone torch on it, and then that will keep the piston powered. And then you want to put some redstone down, and there you go. I meant to say redstone, not redstone. Okay, so now after you've done that, depending on what you want to make, you could just stop at a 2 block obsidian generator, but we're going to go ahead and make a 4 block generator. So practically you just want to make something like that, then place something like right here, and then you want to place some lava right there. So see, now as you can see, it's going to contain the lava. And you always, yeah, I messed up a little bit right here, because you want to make it 1 block. You don't want to make it 2 blocks out. So actually what I'll need to do is extend it off here. And then, see, I kind of messed up on that a little bit, but doesn't mean I can't fix it. There we go. So see, now that's how it should end up. And if it ended up like that, then you did it correctly. See, because now that water, the end of it is right there. So now you want to place some redstone there, and you're going to always need redstone for this, because otherwise it will not work at all. So make sure you have redstone, and then you just want to go ahead and put like a little lid on it, and then just kind of build up these walls here. That way you just don't get owned by the lava. Okay, so now this side is all set up for obsidian generating, and as you can see, even over here is all set up. So you can break the first one, or just not even place one there yet. But practically what you'll need to do is break these 2, and then place a piston and a block there so the lava doesn't pour out. Then you just want to extend this piece of redstone over here a little bit. So see, now it's going to contain the lava on that side, and yeah, that's all good looking. So now you want to make another one of these containers and do the exact same thing, just the water touching the edge. So you should just be able to measure off of your old one, because it's the same measurement. So I don't know why you wouldn't be able to measure off your old one. But yeah, from this you should be able to get 4 pieces of obsidian for 4 pieces of redstone. So it's really worth it actually, because if you think about it, redstone, it can be used, but obsidian is kind of better. Wow, balls, I kind of did that wrong. Balls. Okay, let's redo that. Okay, and there we go. And then delete that one over there. Now we should have a nice measurement there. And place some water there. And if you're not getting it exactly even, then just place another thing of water so it's on both sides, and then you should be good. So see, now this one is also ready to generate holy crap, obsidian. Jeez, I was messing up a lot. So just make sure it's all covered up, because you don't want anything spilling out or something like that. So just make sure it's filled up, and then always make a little collection point, because yeah, you just want a collection point, or otherwise you won't be able to get in. So yeah, let's just show you guys the end result. So if you did all of this correctly, when you power this, you should get some obsidian. So let's see if you guys did it correctly. And pull. So see, it's going to float on the redstone for a second, and then it's going to make obsidian from the water there. And this is super good if you don't have a lot of lava source blocks, because you know, you can make infinite amounts, because redstone isn't that hard to find. So if you have like several stacks, then I would suggest going ahead and getting some obsidian. See, it worked for the other side also. So I'm just going to do it for the other side just so you guys can see that it does work. Just pull that lever there. See, and now it's gonna go over the redstone. See, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I thank you guys for watching this, and please try to like the video. I really would appreciate it if you guys did like the video. And see, what the problem was, I left it on too long. So actually, what happened when I deleted the obsidian is that it flooded into the water. But yeah, so that's how you make an obsidian generator. I know these aren't the most convenient, but they definitely work for a 1.8 thing. And yeah, if you guys want to go try it, then you can. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.